Part 2, por favor. Yes, sí. Mucho. I'm going on my hair too, guys. um I couldn't do the Q&A because a lot of the people were telling me they just wanted to meet up with me. I was like, it's not really a question, a Q&A. It's like based off of like wanting to know more about me. So yeah. He's coming. Here. I'm recording. Welcome. If you want some of these jalapenos,
Sure do.
that's hot as fuck. I hella farted earlier. Caught that shit. The reason why I'm wearing a filter because I didn't put makeup on today, and I'm not used to not having makeup on. And makeup, I mean just mascara and my white eyeliner and my black wing. Or is it like a cat eye? No, this way.